Hello, it's Laressa Ngoeun here. Thank you so much for being here and welcome to this content creation dashboard tour. I'm going to take you through what this content creation dashboard looks like, which is a Notion template. And this is something that I actually use in my personal business. And I hope that this is something that you have been looking for if you've been feeling a little burnt out, lost, or don't even know where to start when it comes to the content creation process. Now, as you can see here on the homepage, I have navigation, quick links, some bonus templates that I wanted to include to help aid you in the process of content creation. So if I click on this here, you'll see that I have a template, a Canva template for you that you can use. If you go back here, we have what I call 3 wiki style pages, which takes you through really my content creation strategy, framework, and how I go about using this dashboard in regards to the content that I want to create. So that is that page there. If we go back here, we can see we have 4 different sections. Here I have the full content calendar. So regardless of the platform, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever have you, you can see all of your content pieces on a calendar in one single spot. So you know that on any given day, this is the content that you either need to post, to plan, to prep, to film, or prepare for. So that is the full content calendar in one toggle there. Now, what I did in this case was create 3 different sections based on the platforms that I'm on. So in this section here, I have YouTube dashboard. So this is everything that I have to see just for YouTube. If I go down here, I can see just Instagram content. And if I go down here, I can see just TikTok content as well. Now, what I like about these specific dashboards is that I've created different views for you. So you can see YouTube on a calendar. You can see YouTube in your Kanban board here, so you know the different phases that your video is going through. I have an idea vault, so you can put all your ideas into here, and when they're ready to be planned, you can plop them into the planning status here. And then I have a different view for posted, and I have a view for all, so you can see all of your YouTube content regardless of the YouTube status there. Now, in addition to that, I've also included my own content card template. So if we go here to content calendar, it doesn't really matter where you add your content cards to, but in this case, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. So you can either click on the plus button here for ease, or you can go up to this new button, click new. But in this case, let's just go ahead and choose August 2nd and click add item. You'll see here YouTube video template, short form video template, and social media card template. So these are templates that I personally use in my content creation process. And this is exactly what I use for YouTube. So as you can see here, it has populated this entire template over, so you know how to plan out your videos. So you can see here, I have a 5-phase planning system. So you can plan your YouTube ideas, your thumbnail titles, your thumbnails and your title ideas, pre-content planning, your YouTube description SEO, your optimized, YouTube upload checklist that I have here. So when I'm going through YouTube Studio, I know that I need to do it in this order. And then another toggle for text copy for distribution if you have an email, or if you plan to, create a promo post and you want to post this to Instagram or YouTube community. So that is that in a nutshell. Now, what I have prepared in addition to this is a how-to page, which is basically a mini course on how this entire dashboard, how it works, how it was created, so that you properly know how to understand the basics of this, how to use it and how to navigate it. And more importantly, I've also created a separate tutorial on how to add additional platforms if you are also, using a blog, a newsletter, or you're doing a podcast. So this is that mini course in and of itself. And that is pretty much it for the entirety of this template here and this content creation dashboard. And I really hope that this will be helpful to you. So with that said, I cannot wait to be part of your content creation process and journey. And until next time, I will see you all next time. Take care. Bye.